Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we have another exciting Excel tutorial lined up for you. We will be learning how to fill data using Go to Special feature in Excel. This powerful tool allows you to quickly populate the data based on specific criteria, saving your time and efforts. If you are working with large data sets or need to apply consistent values across multiple cells, this technique will make your Excel experience much more efficient. So let's jump right in and learn how to fill data using Go to Special in Excel.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
This is the worksheet that I am going to use to teach you how you can fill data using Go to Special feature. You can see that we have the names of different players and their provinces, games, scores and position. And you can see that the name of the first player is written only one time. Similarly, the province name is written only one time, and then we have some empty cells over here, and we want to fill these empty cells with the help of very simple and easy trick. So this is a small data, and imagine if you have a big data and if you have to fill it by writing it, it will take a much longer time and more efforts. But the technique that I am going to teach you is just a matter of seconds. So I will request you to watch this video till end and hit the like button if you like this video. The first step is selecting the data. Then we have to go to Special with the help of shortkey Ctrl G. This message will appear when I press this Ctrl G. Here I go to Special and then I have to select these blanks and press OK. When I do this, you can see that only the empty cells are selected. You have to write equal and then select the cell above it, and after this I have to press Ctrl Enter. When I press this Ctrl Enter, you can see that the data is automatically filled in all the empty cells. And there you have it. You have learned how to fill data using the Go to Special feature in Excel. This technique is incredibly useful when you need to populate cells-based data on a specific criteria. Experiment with different options with Go to Special dialog box to explore additional functionalities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.